Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning,
afternoon,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Thumbs up with great badi wali smile. Okay, because today we are going to learn something amazing for which we are going to dedicate to our environment, our most beloved environment and Mother Earth. Okay, so we will start our class with a badi wali smile and a great thumbs up. Okay. So, yes, that's it. Many students have started showing it. And yes, we should always start our work with Badi Wali smile and a story. Today's art class is very special because a story, coloring session is a story session. We know this now. So, we will start with that. Okay. So, see, students, last class we completed drawing, we completed outlines, and afterwards, now, third step is erasing extra lines. After giving outlines, our third step is left, and that is erasing extra lines. So with eraser, you will erase all extra lines of pencil. This is very, very important step. Okay, this is very important step. You will be erasing all extra lines very carefully, okay, and clean the dust. So what will happen? The extra after erasing extra lines, it will look as if you have made this drawing with a sketch pen only. And otherwise, the lines will keep appearing and it will spoil your work. So erasing of extra lines is very important. And while erasing, uh, Ridansh, if you have not given outlines with us, now you do colors with us. And when the class will get over, that time you give outlines. Okay. Those who have not given outlines, Now you do work, although outline is the second step to be done. Okay, after doing making drawing with pencil, we give outlines. But if you are not given, so you do coloring now, and in the end you can do this. Okay, chalo, so now we will start. Okay, we always give outlines like this, and now I will start with my work. For this, the very first thing, I will take my black sketch pen. Okay, before this I want to check the work, because now with outline I can see everyone's work. Will you please lift up? Yes. Shabash. Very good, very nice. It's so lovely. I don't have words to praise. Great work, amazing. And I will start with the most beautiful, most impressive eyes. So take black sketch pen, take golden, yellow ochre or yellow color, and second color is going to be brown. Okay, you can take dark brown or light brown. Any brown you can take. Okay, so take, if you don't have black sketch pen, you take black color. Those who don't have black sketch pen, take black color. Okay, they can take black color also. Okay, yes. Black sketch pen or black color. Okay, okay, Sachi. You continue with this ways. Okay, this is black sketch pen. Now what I will be doing? We will use paint colors also today. Okay, the cotton, earbud, everything is required. Now I will take my black sketch pen. All of you are ready? See what we did, we erased extra lines. Now you will take your black sketch pen and you will fill this inner eyeball. This inner eyeball I have now. So this circles I will leave white, and the inner eyeball I will fill with black. Okay, so you can even use color or you can use sketch pen. Anything you can use. Okay. You will not go inside. First you move round, around circles, and then finally fill colors in this inner eyeball. Come on, do this. Black. And the circles will be left white. Okay, because eyes is the most important and impressive part of face, and it should be done very nicely. And this upper line of eye, I will make it little more dark. Okay, upper line of eye. Same I'm going to do here. I will make upper line little more dark, as if Mother Earth has put kajal. Eyelashes. And the inner. Okay, inner circle. We'll move round first. And do black color. Okay, because now you will be learning a very different way of making eyes in a very impressive way. So this ways I will fill colors all around. Okay, this line of hair coming from front, I will cover it up. See, this ways I completed eyeball, white and black. Okay. Now we need these two colors. You can take yellow, golden or yellow ochre. Any color you can take. And now you will take this color. Okay. Do make eyeballs very nicely. Keep leaving that white circle white. Now take yellow ochre color. Okay. Now yellow ochre color you will be doing here. See, those who have made eyeballs completely black, it's okay. Because now if you have colored it completely black, so now we can do nothing. But now onwards, whenever you are making eye, try to keep this kind of two circles in eyes. They look very nice. Now I will take yellow ochre color and I will do it here. Only this much part. Come on. Only this much part. Okay. Same here. Only this much part. This much part you will be doing. Yellow ochre. Okay. Yellow ochre. This is yellow ochre. If you don't have yellow ochre, you can even use yellow or golden. You can use these colors also, okay? And brown. Now take brown color. Take brown color. And start moving over yellow ochre. Start moving over yellow ochre, brown color. Oh, can you all see my screen? All of you show thumbs up. Okay, fine. So, this is Ayush. Ayush, you please click on active speaker view. Okay? Huh. Please you click on active speaker view because your screen is coming black because rest all can see me. So see this ways, you will be moving your brown color and then finally you will fill in this outer black, outer ball. Okay, this ways. Fill it in outer ball also. And you will find a very nice effect of eye. See this ways. Come on. First, what you will be doing? First, you will move on yellow ochre. Move on yellow ochre first. And then remaining outer ball, you fill. Remaining outer ball also, you fill. First, you will move on yellow ochre, okay? See this ways, I will fill outside also. And you will find my eyes very expressive, very impressive. Yes, what I did, I fill black color inside, leaving this circle white. Afterwards, I took yellow ochre and apply in the corner. And then I took brown, okay? Apply it over and then cover it up. Redmi, if you didn't attend last class, in that case, beta, you simply sit and attend today's class and afterwards, with the help of recording, you draw and with help of today's recorded class, you color. Hai na? Now, I will take, show me eyes, all of you, show me your eyes. Pick up your phone because this is the most beautiful part of face. Lovely. Can you see how beautiful your eyes are looking now? Very impressive, very expressive. Advita, yes, you can try whitener if you have colored already because many students, they color this middle ball directly before my class only. So now you can use whitener for making white. Otherwise, leave it black only, okay? Now, after this, you will take pink and skin color because 5th is Environment Day and we are going to make our environment extremely beautiful, okay? Is my voice reaching to you clear? Please show thumbs up. Is my voice clear? So Panchi, you please check, beta. You must be having some internet problem, I think. Okay? Because rest all can hear me clearly. I will be taking pink and skin color. I will do pink. Pink circles. Come on, make circles. I will be making my environment. This is environment. This is the face of environment. Okay? And now I will start with the story. Okay? So this is the story of our Mother Earth. Okay? And Mother Earth's story is like this, that many years back, you know, almost many hundreds of years back, our Earth was very beautiful, as we show here, you know, in this drawing. Our Earth is looking so beautiful. After doing pink, let's complete pink here also in mouth. Okay, let's complete pink here also in mouth. This part of mouth, we are going to do pink very carefully. Come on, sleeping lines. You will be using sleeping lines and finish pink. Vansh Agrawal, we can't unmute anyone, beta. If you have any doubt, you can message me. Okay, we keep everyone muted. Now I will take my skin color. Those who don't have skin color, they can take light orange. Okay, light orange. Now I will start from here. Always start your coloring from a corner. Many times students, what they do, they start their coloring from center, then sleeping line, then slanting line. It is wrong. Always, whatever you are coloring, you start your coloring from a corner. Start from here. And how to color? Hold your color like a pencil. Hold it like a pencil You will go for small, small strokes. And one more mistake students do, they put lots of pressure while moving their color. No, we should not do this. There should be no pressure on your color, but you will repeat every stroke 4 times. Okay, you will be repeating every stroke 4 times. Slowly and slowly start doing. Okay. Standing line. You will not change direction. As I started from here, so you will go for standing line, and only standing line. Nowhere you will go for sleeping or slanting. Okay, this thing you are supposed to keep in mind. Oh, Anushka, if you don't have yellow ochre, you can take yellow also. Okay. So see, this way, standing line, I will complete my Mother Earth's face. Then what happened? Mother Earth, many years back, many hundreds years back, Mother Earth was very beautiful, very happy, very healthy. And as we shown in our drawing, very happy, very healthy. And rivers, Mother Earth was having so many beautiful rivers. Water was clean. People were drinking that water. Okay. And monkeys, they were very happy. Lots of jungles were there. They used to jump on one branch, then another. They were having plenty of fruits in jungle to eat. Birds, they were super happy because lots and lots of trees were there in jungle, variety. Okay. And birds were very happy. They were having lots of place for making nest, and they were having lots of fruits to eat, which was growing on trees. And rivers were very happy. Water was very clean, neat. As river was very happy, so all fishes, all turtles, all ducks, all swans, all water animals, they were very happy. They were living in harmony, and every time they were singing melodious song. They were, and everything was in harmony. Okay. Then what happened? And yeah, monkeys were very happy, and even the snakes, crocodiles, frogs, and all this kind of animals, everyone was happy. And now about different kind of, there was harmony. Harmony, it means a very good rhythm, very good coordination. Everyone was caring for each other. No one was disturbing others' life. There was a complete balance. Okay. So then what happened? And everyone was having lots of food to eat, wonderful place to live. Okay, then what happened? And Earth was also very happy. So what happened? Earth was thinking that I really want someone who is very wise and intelligent. Okay, who can take care of this beautiful earth, this beautiful mountain, and a beautiful grasslands, all these zebras, giraffe, lions, tigers, crocodiles, snakes, everyone's. I want someone very wise to take care of, and can take good care and help me. So you know what happened? Mother Earth and Mother Environment started praying to God. Oh God, please bless us with a kind of animal or a kind of creature, your creation, which is very wise and which is having a very powerful and creative brain. Okay, that we can hand over the responsibility of taking care of all fishes, all turtles, all animals, and whether those are carnivorous or herbivorous. Yes, I mix brown color in yellow ochre also. First I move on yellow ochre, then I finish here. So see, I'm not changing direction. Can you see I'm not changing direction? I'm moving color in with small strokes. You can see I'm not going for big strokes, small strokes. Without changing direction. Anushka, we will do it dark. I think you should start with the face. Now see, students, all of you listen. Many times what happened when I'm teaching? So few are very speedy, few are average, and few are little slow. So what you're supposed to do, suppose I've done eyes and now I've started with skin. Your one eye is done and one eye is left. So you will not continue with eye. You will switch on to skin. Because second eye, you know how to make. You can do it after the class also. So this ways, you will keep yourself in rhythm with me. Okay? So Mother Earth was praying to God. So God decided that God will create a person, a kind of creature who is very wise and will look like God only. And God created human beings. Okay? Human. And then God said, oh, Mother Earth, see, I created someone who is having a powerful brain, strong brain to think, and very intelligent and creative brain. So hopefully we can hand over the responsibility of everything to him, and he will take good care of environment. See, once you please do one thing, you leave class and rejoin because rest all can see my screen. See, this phase I completed mother, environment's phase. Okay, then God said, ki now this human is a very wise and having a very active and wise brain. So we can hand over the responsibility. See, students, it's a request. All of you listen carefully. You will send message only which is related to drawing and artwork. You will not send useless messages. Okay? Focus more on learning better. If you have any doubt regarding artwork, you can send message. When you send useless messages, what happens? The useful messages which are related to artwork, they get hidden. You won't believe I have got more than 800 messages till now. 800 messages. Stop sending useless messages. Okay? So it will be beneficial for you only. Okay? Now, see this ways, I will complete. Face. I want to check the work. Please lift up your work, all of you. Yes. Oh, wow. It is looking great. And see, eyes are looking mind-blowing, isn't it? Lovely. Okay. Now I will be making, I will take red color and I will complete tongue. So the Mother Earth's faces will be done. I will be taking the red color and I will complete this tongue also. Now Mother Earth's, Mother Environment's face is done. See, we fill black in inner ball. Then here we applied yellow ochre. And then we took brown and move on yellow ochre and complete this. Okay. And one most thing, student, I want to tell you, if you skip anything or if you want to revise anything, we provide recording to every child. And the recording stay with that child lifelong. For whole life, the recording is going to stay with you. Okay. So don't worry, you can revise work also. Now I will be starting with fishes. Now fishes, your choice. You can try any color in fishes. So I will pick up pink, orange. Okay. I will pick up orange. I will pick up light pink. And let's start. Vanshika, now I suppose you step onto this work and in the end I will revise eyes. Okay, Vanshika? Start with fish now. Whatever is left behind, you just stop that and start doing this. Otherwise, you will be stuck there and you won't be able to be in rhythm with us. Okay? Now this is dark pink color. I will be doing in few fishes. You can do any color in fishes. As we know, fishes are colorful. You can try any color in fishes. Okay? I will be doing my fishes pink. Here I will do tail. Then the story starts. Then God and Mother Earth were very happy that now they got someone, at least I'm doing yellow ochre also. Okay, that now they have someone who is very wise and can take good care of environment. And finally, the human being appear and just said, oh, my dear Mother Earth, I'm here to help you. What can I do? Please tell me. I'm also your child. Mother Earth said, yes, my dear, you are also my child. This is a family. All birds, all animals, and even you. We are a family. As you are blessed with a lovely brain, I'm giving you a responsibility of taking care of the whole environment. Take care of this complete environment. I will take orange and I will do orange. So you see this ways I use dark pink, light pink, and golden for doing my fishes. You can try any color. Okay, come on. Finish your fishes and do dark colors. In fishes, you will be doing colors dark. Don't do light colors, okay? Do colors dark. And I will be taking sky blue color and dark blue color, two colors, sky blue and dark blue. Okay, you can use any color for making your fishes, any color of your choice. Okay, I simply did colors. Ha, Panchi, what you want me to repeat? What part? This is simply color of your choice. You can fill any color of your choice. Okay. In fish, you can do any color of your choice. Now you will take yellow and I will start with duck. From where you will start? You will start from a corner. All of you see, you will start it from here. Okay, start it from corner. We'll start with standing lines and slowly you will finish one duck. Second duck also, if you want to make both ducks with yellow, you can do that ways also. And if you feel that my second duck you want to make another color, yes, you can try that ways also. I'm going to make both ducks of yellow color. Okay. And I will simply move this ways. See, these all are very simple. One wings, I will be making pink. See, here again, you are free with your own colors. You can make colors. You can make your ducks pink. You can make your ducks orange. Any color, fishes and duck, you can do with your own choice. Okay? So see, this ways, I completed and I will be using pink color. See, if you miss Monday's class, don't worry. You will get recording. Everyone is getting recording. With help of recording, you can do. Now I will take dark blue and light blue color. Dark blue and light blue. Okay? Chalo. Because it's a big drawing with so many things. So we are supposed to be little quick. Dark blue color. First take dark blue color and just show this. You know? Fishes. We will be showing afterwards. And I will be giving dark blue outlines on the sides. Come on. Very carefully. Small strokes, one direction. And very carefully, I will start making my mother nature mother environment very happy and beautiful. So then what happened? Mother environment said, oh, my dear child, oh, my dear human, I can rely on you because God made you giving this equal power of God. You have the brain just like God. So you can think creatively and take care of all my tiny fishes and turtles and snakes and frogs and everyone. So I'm giving you responsibility of this complete environment. Will you take good care of it? The human being promise, human promise. Yes, my dear, I am promising you. I will take very good care of this environment. You don't worry. But slowly, the human who was blessed with a great brain and thinking power and a very creative power, he turned selfish. He started thinking, if I will cut few trees and sell, okay, so what will happen? He started cutting trees, okay? See, I gave dark outlines and now I will do light. Come on, start with sleeping lines here, light blue, sleeping lines, and you will not change direction. Small strokes, one direction. Always start your coloring from a corner and make sure your lines will be sleeping everywhere. Whether fish will come or whatever is coming, you will not go for change in direction. Yes, Vanshika, you can do that. See, everywhere sleeping lines, okay? And with sleeping lines, I will be completing this. See, I will go for sleeping only. See, now also my lines are sleeping. Sleeping, see, I'm not going in diagonal or any other ways. And light color. See, my river is about to get ready. Small sleeping lines. Okay, yes, continue. So Mother Earth was very happy, and earlier in beginning, human being, they took very good care of environment. And they were in harmony, they were taking care of plants, they were taking care of animals. But slowly and slowly, that human being, that person started turning selfish, decided to make house and started cutting trees. For making house, he cut trees. For making roads, he cut trees. For making buildings, he cut trees. For making factories, he cut trees. For making farms, he cut trees. For making school, he cut trees. For making hospitals, he cut trees. He kept cutting trees, he kept cutting. And one day came when Mother Environment said, "Oh, my dear, what are you doing? You are cut for making paper." He cut trees. So Mother Environment said, "Beta, if you want to cut, if you want to make house, you can grow plants somewhere else. But you are cutting, I'm not able to breathe. See, mouse, look at my face. It has turned so dark. I'm sick. I'm not able to breathe. Please don't cut trees. See the birds, they are not having any space to make their nest. See this fishes." And one more thing in human being did. All the garbage, all chemical waste, poisonous waste, he started disposing in river. And this way, the rivers turned poisonous, and the fishes, every day lakhs and crores of fishes started dying. And everything was turning in non-harmony. Show me this river part. All of you lift up your work and show. Yes. Very good. Lovely. Now we will have to go little fast. Okay, because a big part is still left. I will be taking yellow ochre color, and these bushes, big bushes, the small part is left now. Here I will be doing yellow ochre. You will not do in bushes, okay? Yellow ochre. Golden, you can do it golden also, because we want to show land part also. Okay, sleeping lines. Come on, make sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines. Finish it. Yes. Here also finish it. Sleeping lines. You will not change direction. Make sure you will not change direction. You will finish it near house. Okay. Till here you will be doing yellow ochre color. Okay, yeah. Behind bushes. You made bushes now. So behind bushes and below mountains. I will be doing yellow ochre backside. Okay. Come on. Or fill this part completely. This part. Okay. Here you will be doing yellow ochre color. And even here where human beings are standing, I will be completing this part also. If you don't have yellow ochre, you can take brown, or you can take golden also. Okay, or you can take light green also. Take that color. You can take yellow also. Okay, take yellow. If you have your golden, so take golden first. Watercolor. See, these all bushes and everything we are going to do with watercolors only. Okay, a big part of the drawing is we are going to do with watercolors. Okay, so don't worry, let's complete this. Okay, so see this yellow ochre color here is done. This complete background will be yellow ochre. Okay. If you don't have golden, you simply do brown color. Okay. Now I will take light green color. Take light green and start doing here in front of houses. Light green color. Okay. Yes, yes. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Finish. All of you do. And remaining of you, please show your work. All of you lift up your work and show how it turned up. Very good. Shabash. Lovely. Very good. Very nice. So let's complete. Yellow ochre here. I fill all the part, all gaps with this. Okay. And now I will be doing green, light green color. Take light green color and simply in sleeping lines, you will not change direction. Okay. Okay, Ananya. Ananya Mudgula. If you have completed drawing, now you can color with me. Okay. So now see this ways. I will be going for sleeping lines near Mother Earth's face and near butterfly. Everywhere you will go for sleeping lines. Okay, whether see so many human beings, so students, what they do, they go for standing line. But we will not do that. And we will be doing light color. Okay. So then what happened? That Mother Nature requested, what are you doing, my dear son? What are you doing, human? I gave you responsibility to take care of everyone, but because of you, everyone is dying. The water is so poisonous. You are throwing all your waste in water, and all my water has turned poisonous. Animals, water animals, and fishes are dying. What are you doing? This is not something you are supposed to do. Even I am not able to breathe. Every day you are cutting lots of trees and planting no more trees. Don't do this, please. Don't do this. But the human being was not ready to listen. Kept cutting trees, and slowly the environment started becoming polluted, and earth started becoming ugly, black, the skin turned black, eyes turned without any shine, and Mother Earth is today on the edge of dying. Today, Mother Earth is calling us, please save me. I'm about to die. I'm continuously warming. I'm become warm. This is called global warming. Earth when become very warm because polluted air is just like fire and our earth is just like pot. Every time it is becoming more and more warm and Mother Earth is requesting. See now for making teddy bears, again I will take yellow ochre and pink. Okay, yellow ochre and pink. If you don't have, you can try any other color. Simply this nose part black. I will be making this nose part black. Okay. And the face part. Start here. All of you see from where you will start. From here you will start. Okay, from here you will start coloring. Come on, from corner, not from center. Start your coloring from corner. Standing lines. And I will complete mama and it is beer, not teddy bear, it's beer. And this ways, we'll start doing this ways. This is beer. So, ear also. Okay. And if you don't have a yellow ochre color, you can simply take brown. Okay. So let's complete all these small elements and our drawing will and start from a corner. Okay, start from a corner. See, those who are little slow, they can make one beer and second beer they can do after class. Okay, make one beer and second beer you can do after class. Pink for making mouth. I'm going to use pink for making mouth. See, they will look cute. And see, they are looking very cute. Color this circle nicely. And even the inner circle of eyes, ears. This inner small semicircle of ears, you can do it pink. So this way is, these two teddies are ready. Can others hear me? Am I audible to others? Please show your thumbs up. So once you please check, beta, you can do one thing once, you leave class and rejoin. Leave and rejoin. Okay? Now see, those who have done one, now listen students, those who have done one, they can leave other. Okay? They can leave other and step forward. Okay? Now I will be making houses. So houses you can try with any color of your choice. I'm going to take dark blue on one, the wall of one. Otherwise, you can take any other color also. Gray or some other colors of this kind. Okay? So I will be taking brown. Okay, I will be taking brown on one wall and gray on another. Standing lines. Start with standing lines. Okay, now see, I will be completing both houses. But if your second house is left incomplete, so you will leave second house and step on to next, which I'm stepping on. Because our today's artwork is having so many things to color. So we are supposed to be little quick. Okay, see this way is. Once we can't do that, beta. You do one thing, you click on active speaker view. Click on active speaker view. I think clicking on active and see the solar panels will be gray. Come on, make it gray. You can make solar panels shiny gray or normal gray. Any gray you can do. Okay? Click on active. It's okay now. Very good. Now you start doing. And start with the coloring where I'm. Okay? Whatever part is left, don't worry. You will get recording. You can do with help of that. Now you start with solar panels. So I'm going to do this. I will be taking pink color. I will be showing roof with pink. Okay, you can show another color also. I'm going to do this with this. Okay. We can try sky blue. Here in this wall, I can try sky blue color. Start from a corner. Never start your coloring from centers. Always start your coloring from a corner. Standing line. See, I'm not changing direction in house. And I see my direction is one. So always keep your color in one direction. From where you will start your coloring, you will start your coloring from here. You can try any color. Any color you can try for doing house. I will be doing little yellow inside to show light. And see, solar panels are with gray color. And now this human being, let's make them wearing colorful t-shirts. Okay. Pink t-shirts, pink and green. Another one, any t-shirt, any jeans, you can make them wearing. Okay. Simple golden shorts. And here I can make blue. Okay. This way is I completed human beings. If you have done one and another is left, you can do it after the class. Okay. So this ways you will be keeping yourself in harmony. It is not like if I'm doing the next thing, but you are stuck on there. No. Now, if your human being is left, you will, another one you will leave. Now come on orange. Come on orange and let's complete this butterfly. The middle body you show with orange and wings you can try with any color. Okay. So you can make it pink or any other color. I'm going to make it pink. Okay. simply from one corner, small strokes, one direction, and complete wings. Acha, those who have not made any butterfly, it's okay. If you don't want to make butterfly, you have not drawn, it's okay. So see, I completed pink color here. And I'm going to do dark green color or light green, any color I can take. And I will start giving a thick outline around teddy bear, bear. Okay. Now see students, what you will do, suppose your butterfly, this human being, one is done, one is left, so you can leave it. You can step on to next work. Okay. So this ways you will keep yourself in rhythm. If I'm teaching new and you're completing your previous work, so you will be left behind. Okay, because today's artwork is having so many things now. So we are supposed to be little quick. Okay, so see this ways, with small sleeping lines, I will complete. One more bush, sleeping lines. Okay, sleeping lines. Very carefully, very gently. And now is the time for sky, and then our watercolor work will start. Okay. The remaining everything will be done with watercolors. So see this way as I complete this bush where these two teddy bears, bear are there. Those who didn't made this bear and all, we can leave this because of shortage of space. Many of you have not done this bear part, so you can leave it. Okay. So now see, I have done green around this bear. Okay, green. Now, show me, I want to check it. Trees and everything will be done afterwards with earbud. So this phase, Earth started getting exploited, environment started getting exploited by human beings. Very good, extremely lovely. Shabash. Now you take your orange, yellow, and sky blue color. Quickly, come on. And sky blue color. Come on, take 3 colors. Orange, yellow, sky blue. And first you make a circle around your sun. Make a circle around sun. Okay. And do orange color. Now see from where you will start orange. You will start orange from here. Come on, start from here. Standing line and complete this orange. Small strokes, one direction. And you will start from corner. You will not start from center, okay? And you will be going for small strokes, not big. And no pressure on your colors. Make sure there should be no pressure on your color. Okay, small strokes, one direction. Finish your sun with orange. And this outer yellow. Then what happened? An outer yellow will be yellow. Start from here. See, this outer yellow will start from here. Standing line. Standing line. And this ways you will complete this outer circle. You will not start from center. You will continuously going in standing line, and standing line. Okay, this is the light of sun. So then finally, but a human being was not ready to listen, learn lesson, kept cutting trees, kept exploiting environment, was least bothered that Mother Earth is dying, Mother Earth is unhappy, Mother Earth is unhealthy. And finally, there was no oxygen to breathe. All trees which were giving us oxygen. And when all oxygen get over, human beings started purchasing oxygen in oxygen cylinder, okay, which we are facing today. And one day, Mother Earth, Mother Nature get angry and started punishing. Take sky blue and start sleeping lines, small. Don't go for big lines, okay? Make sky, light. And let's complete sky. Okay, very limited, small part of sky is there. Let's complete. Mountains you will not do. Okay. And now our watercolor work will start. Okay, your water container is ready now. Water container, earbuds, cotton, everything is required now. Slowly and slowly, it will be done. I will complete sky. Sleeping lines. I will not change direction. Make sure with no pressure. If you will put pressure now, your sky will turn ugly because the dirty lines will appear. So don't put pressure. Very gently, very softly, with small, small strokes. Don't go for big strokes, okay? Okay. And then finally, what happened? The rivers turned polluted, no water to drink, no water to harvest, and our crops started dying. There was no oxygen to breathe. And finally, this is the situation which we are facing today. Mother Earth is shouting and requesting, please save me, I'm dying. Mother Environment, I trusted you. I hand over the responsibility of this complete nature and environment to you. And see what you have done. You have literally spoiled everything. Okay? So now see students, our work of this complete plastic crayon work is over. Now our plastic crayon or watercolor work will start. Can I see the work? All of you lift up your work. Huh? Lift up. Very good. Amazing. And see students, if little part of plastic crayon is left, suppose a sky is left, a small part of sky is left. So you can complete that after the class. Okay. Now be ready with watercolors. All of you. Now whatever work of plastic crayon is left, suppose small part of sky is left, you can do it after class also. Now you know how to move color. Okay. So cotton, earbud, water container, take out everything quickly. Open your brown color, open your green color, open your different colors for making flowers. I will open pink for making flowers. I will open orange for making flowers. I will open yellow for making flowers. And this is green. I'm going to use it for making bushes. Oh, wow. This is a lovely green. And I have one more great green. This is brown. Come on, open your colors because now your drawing will look amazing. You will see that. Okay. I have red. I'm going to make some flowers with red. Yellow. Take yellow also. Okay. Yellow will also look great. Yellow. Okay. I'm going to use yellow also because this flower in Mother Earth's hair, we can show yellow or red or pink, any. Now, first you will start with earbud. Take out your earbud. Water container is ready? Yes? Chalo. Now, what you will be doing, dip your earbud in water. Come on, dip it in water. If you don't have cotton yarn, you can simply use earbud then. Okay? Dip it in water and first you take yellow color. Yellow. Okay? Take yellow and start making some flowers here. Some flowers with yellow. Come on, with earbud. Simply spread it yellow. Okay, add some more flowers. How to make all more flowers? See, this way is so many dots at a place. Okay, and in this yellow only, I will take red. You can take red or any other color, and I will be making this flower in yellow only. Okay. See, those who don't have earbud, they can simply do plastic crayon. I will be doing this flower. Simply move your earbud in this flower on Mother Earth's nature here. Come on. Very carefully move here. Move here. Very carefully, especially where you are reaching to face. Slowly and slowly give outlines first. And then fill inside. Okay? Outlines first and then fill inside. So what will happen? Your yellow and red will get mixed and you will find amazing. If you want to make it red, you can make it simply red also. I think red is looking more better. Okay? So see, I will be making this beautiful flower of Mother Earth's here. So this ways, and this story is not a fake story. This is a real story. And besides this, the industries and the factories which human being established, they are throwing lots and lots of garbage in poisonous smoke in environment. The environment is also polluted. Now see this red color, make one more flower. Make one more flower. Okay? Yes. I will be making one more flower and now in the same earbud, I'm going to take brown. Take brown. Okay? Take brown color and complete mountains. You can turn your paper. Turn your paper. Okay, it's better you turn your paper. So what will happen? Mountains will come close to you. And let's complete mountain. How to do mountains? First, you will move around. Around trees and give outlines. Okay. Outlines around mountain and around trees and everywhere. And lots of focus is required. Okay. You will not do it in a hurry. First, give outlines around mountain and around trees. Outlines here also with earbud. Use earbud, okay? Because earbud is the simplest way of using watercolors. And you will see that how beautifully you are handling earbud for doing colors, okay? First, and take water again and again. If you feel that water is over, you can take water again and again, okay? I will be making head of human beings. Make head also with brown. Head of human being also brown. Put 2 dots. Simply move it around. Solar panels. And I see solar panels are also coming in the everything around. And I will start taking water and I will start moving sleeping lines. See, come on, start doing. Take again brown and start doing. Then again brown, then start doing. Kush Patil, you are not doing? Kush? Do brown. Those who don't have watercolors, don't do, those who don't have material, they can do plastic crayon. Okay, those who don't have watercolors, they can do plastic crayon in mountains. Okay, yes. So this ways, I will be completing my mountains. This ways, okay. I will complete mountains. No, I turn my paper. Arika, I turn my paper so that I can do my mountains clear, nicely. I just turn it reverse. Okay. And those who don't have watercolors, they can simply do plastic crayons. Okay. You do brown in plastic crayons in mountains. Many of you are not having material available. Not to worry. Simply do plastic crayons so that at least your work will get over. And using the same earbud, I will be making stones in water, river, and trunk of trees, and the stones near river. Okay, this brown which we pick up. If you don't have any brown, you can try purple or golden. Any color you can try in mountain, beta. Try any color. Otherwise, you can mix red with green. Green and red you mix, you will get brown color. Turn your paper. Again, turn your paper. And complete trunk of trees. Trunk of trees with the same earbud. No need to change your earbud. Trunk of tree. Very carefully, okay? You are supposed to be very, very focused. Otherwise, what will happen? It will be spoiled. Now I can see stones. And stones, complete all stones. with the same earbud. Even the stones in water near duck, finish it. Okay. And yeah, finish all these, and the remaining brown, you can simply show dot, 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 dot. See in flower, the remaining color. Don't take more color and just make some dots in this flower. Okay, so your complete brown will be utilized. Some dots in flowers. Okay, yes. So this way is using earbud, you completed mountain. Yes, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Finish it. Finish it. All of you finish, okay? Yes, I can see you all are lost in your coloring. Watercolors have a very significant special role in every child's life because it is very helpful in improving your focus. Can you see your focus has gone to an optimum level? You are completely involved in your work, lost in your work. Okay, so watercolor work is having that strength. Okay, very good. Done? All of you have done? Yes. And then finally, Mother Nature started giving punishment to human being in form of floods, in form of earthquakes, in form of corona. And these all are punishments we are getting from Mother Nature. So now, you and me together, let's be determined that this rainy season, we are going to grow lots and lots of plants. Can you show a thumbs up if I and you are going to do this? Yes, very good. Okay. And you know what? One very great summer camp is waiting for you. Father's Day special drawings also we are going to teach in that. I will be sharing information of that now. All of you have done? Now take out your cotton. Come on, take out cotton. Cotton. Okay, now see here. If you want to take different greens, you can. And if you want to go for single green, you can. It's your choice. So I'm going to go for one green only. Dip your color in water. Dip your cotton in water. Come on. Dip your cotton in water. And now with help of earbud or something else, take green color. Take green color. And put it over your cotton. Come on. Take green color. Yes, our very limited work is left. Our work is also about to get over. Take green. If you have dark green, light green, sap green, different greens. Now start tapping bushes. Tap, 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 tap. Come on, start doing tap, 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 tap. This is called tap technique. Come on, start doing. All bushes you will be completing using tap, tap technique. Okay? Yes. If you have different green colors, you can try sap green also because I have sap green also. So I will be trying sap green also somewhere else. Again, bushes, tap, 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 tap. Take little more green. Tap, tap. Yes. Okay. Take little more green in your cotton, the same cotton. No need to change cotton. Okay. No need to change cotton. And I will take 5 minutes more after completing this artwork to tell you about workshop. This time the workshop is in very different way, and we kept charges also very minimum, just 199 rupees for 7 artworks. Okay, you will be learning 7 artworks and the charges are very nominal, including canvas painting, Father's Day special card, folk art, coffee painting, all artworks. So this is a very great offer. I will be sharing the things with you. So please, after completing your work, don't go. Stay with me. See, I will be doing trees also. Come on, complete trees. You can change color or you can continue with the same. Tapping, you will be using tapping technique. Tap, 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 tap. See, if you have another class, those who are having another class, they can leave the class. Okay, because now only the trees we are doing, and information you can listen in recording. Okay, so see, my trees are done. Now I will complete some bushes. Now see, all of you see, this is a very important part. I will be showing some green part here also in front of Mother Nature's face. Here also I will add some this kind of cotton impression. Okay. In this bushes also. And same I'm going to do with my the teddy bears. Okay. Sorry, bears. Crayons we have completed. And now here I will be completing with tap tap technique. Okay. See, I will be giving detailed information about the summer camps. Okay, and it will include 7 artworks. Just a minute, I will complete this. It is about to get over. See, it is about to get over. See, my complete artwork is left. Only few flowers are left. I will take one more piece of cotton, or you can take even earbud. I will complete grass using green color. Using green color, complete grass. Okay, complete grass with earbud using green color. So please stay with me. I will be giving you complete information of summer camp. And this is a very special offer. We are doing this summer camp in collaboration of, see here also the grass is here. Just fill green color. Okay. So artwork is about to get over. Don't worry. If you want to add some flowers in bushes with earbud, you can add. Story was this only, beta, ki now we are getting punishment from Mother Nature. Different calamities, natural calamities, which we are facing today is what? Because we disturb Mother Nature to a great extent. So first Mother Nature kept requesting, please don't disturb me. No, please don't take my care. But we didn't listen. And now today we are, take cotton again, dip it in water. I am going to make some flowers. And you can take pink color. Let's take pink color. Pink. You can take any other, orange, pink, or any other. I took pink and I will be making this flower pink. Okay, and you can see I'm going to make so many flowers with pink. I will add some flowers of pink here. Pink. Okay, I will add some flowers with pink here also near Mother Earth's face. Don't overlap. Take little dark color and add some flowers here. Okay, here also. Everywhere, make it very happy and beautiful earth. Okay. Now last but not the least, I will be showing some flowers on my bushes. You can show some fruits. Okay, some fruits also you can show. Yellow flowers, white flowers, orange flowers. You can even show fruits like I want to show oranges. Oranges are growing. So many things. You can add and make this drawing as beautiful. I can show some flowers with earbud only. Like small, tiny flowers are here. Everywhere you can just spread some flowers. And your beautiful drawing, simply take plastic crayon and connect. One. Okay. You can show some grass here with plastic crayon. and make it looking great. And our drawing of, say, beautiful environment day special drawing, a beautiful environment. So today let's learn this drawing with the zeal. That environment, mother environment, we will take your care. We will not let you die. This is a promise. We will take your care, although we are very young, we are small children. But we are promising you, we will make you happy again. Can we promise this? Can I see a thumbs up? Yes? So see, now rainy day is going to come. Rainy season is going to come. We can plant more and more trees. Start collecting seeds of the fruits of you are eating, and afterwards grow saplings, and then you can plant them in any garden. So see, this is all about our today's artwork. I just want to check the work. Will you please lift up, all of you? Huh? And don't forget to send it, okay, on RGO_classes. On my Instagram ID, note it down. Very beautiful, lovely. I can see students are showing very beautiful work. I'm giving you full view. And now about summer camp, okay? You can do one thing, you can call your mom, okay? Because this complete processing is on a Telegram, okay? Now you will find all our information and all things, details on Telegram. So if your mom is there, you can call them, okay? Full view I'm giving. This is our complete artwork. Happy Mother Earth. Environment Day, okay? So see, this is the offer. All of you listen now. This is offer summer camp for, and it is open for everyone. Every age group, even your moms can join it. The artwork we are picking up, and how many things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 artworks. Drawing and coloring, coffee painting, canvas painting, folk art, craft, mixed media, pencil shading. In this, we are going to include Father's Day special craft also. Okay. And the charges are just 199 rupees. And it will start, you please download. You are supposed to.
Hi, ma'am. Can I explain now?
Yes. Now, Ayushi, over to Ayushi. She will explain. Yes.
Okay. Hi, everyone. This is Ayushi. And you have to download Telegram. Do you all have your phones with you? If you have, I can help you doing it instantly so that you can find it. So can you please show me a thumbs up if you all have your phones with you and you're ready to download it right now?
They have. Please show your thumbs up if you have your phones with you. Now, yes. What they supposed to do? Otherwise,
Okay,
you can call your mom. Otherwise, you can call your mom, because we are now. Ayushi, please start.
Yeah, I'll be showing you. Is my screen visible? Is my screen visible? Okay, so you have to come to the Play Store, and if you're using an Apple, then you have to come to the App Store and you have to search.
Go slow. Go a little slow, Ayushi.
Yeah.
Go a little slow, because there are
Go
many
to the
kids,
App Store and then come to the Telegram. You have to type Telegram and you will find this application. And when you have find it, please show me a thumbs up. Okay, so now you have to click on install.
Install it. Yes.
Okay, and it is getting installed. Okay, and now is my screen visible? Now you have to open it. Okay.
It is going
open
again
it.
and again. Ayushi, the screen is going again and again.
Okay.
Let
Okay.
it
So
be
now
constant.
you can, yeah, now you have to click on start messaging. And okay. Okay. And now you have to click on allow. It will ask you to allow for the calls. Now you have to type your mobile number here. Okay. So type your mobile number here.
Wait, few are asking to wait, Ayushi.
Yeah.
Screen is not visible. Let it be constant.
Hmm.
It is disappearing again and again.
Okay, so I have typed my number. You all have to type your number, which is in your mobile. Has everyone done it?
Please do it now so that
Yeah.
screen is.
Now you have to click this button, which is given here, the blue button, and it will ask you to send a code, and you have to click OK. Okay, please keep showing me a thumbs up so that I can know that you are done.
Have you done? Okay, fine. Then
Okay, now you have to click on allow again. It will do some loading. And now it will send a message to your mobile. Okay, let me check if my number is correct. Yes, it is correct. So you. Okay, so you will receive the phone verification in some time. And when you receive it, you have to search. You have to search ArtGeo in that. It is taking some time for my mobile. We will have to wait for some time. Okay, I've started receiving so many messages. You have to click on art. You have to search ArtGeo in that. Okay, give me a minute. Ma'am, can you explain about the campaign till now, the camp, summer camp we are doing?
Till the
Till I
processing
receive
is
this?
going on. See, the activities we have are drawing and coloring, one artwork with drawing and coloring, one with mixed media, one is with coffee painting. Then we will learn lovely folk art, and canvas painting is also part of our active workshop. Pencil shading, okay, and craft, okay. Father's Day special artwork is also we are going to cover up. Father's Day special craft, okay, you will be covering up. And we have collaborated with Camelot, and it is just for $199. It will be 2-hour session and 7 artworks for just $199. So it's a great offer, and you can invite your friends, your relatives. Please invite them also, because it is a very these efforts are just to touch the creative corner of your heart and reach to maximum. And that's why we kept our prices also very nominal. You please invite your friends and your relatives also, so that they can also take benefit of this beautiful workshop. And it will start from 8th July, 19 is the last, and 20th is Father's Day. So your Father's Day work will also be ready. We are going to learn a lovely gift for Papa also, your fathers also. So this is a complete package: coffee painting, canvas painting, folk art, pencil shading, craft, mixed media, drawing and coloring. Everything we will cover in just with 7 art pieces in $199. Okay, please get enrolled. Otherwise, if at the earliest, okay, because if
Yes,
you will,
ma'am.
yes. Over to Ayushi
Okay.
now.
Yeah. Okay. So that phone is taking time. So I'm showing you another account for that. Now you will find this kind of screen. I have already messages, but your would be blank. Okay. So now you have to click on search and
Your screen is not coming, Aishi.
it's not visible. Is it visible? Is my screen visible? Okay. Okay. So here now you have to search ArtGeo. Okay, and you will find our ArtGeo. It will show the subscribers. Okay, you have to come here and you have to click on join. Here a join button would appear, so you have to click on join. Okay, and on the same account you can send us the messages also, so that we will be able to share the answers with you. So this is how you can connect with us on Telegram. And for all the questions you have, and if you want anything, any inquiry about, if you want to know any detail about our classes or the camp which is going on, and please make sure that all the details about the summer camp would be shared on this account only, on this Telegram account only. Okay. Okay, ma'am, you can continue now.
Okay, so this was all about, and please take care of this, download this Telegram application, and we are going to get linked with that only. All details about this workshop is available there only. For any technical issue, if you have, you can message on this Instagram or Telegram only, and it will be cleared. Okay, and a link will be, we are going to do it live on our YouTube channel. But the link will be only those who are the one will be getting the link to get connected will be able to see that. Okay, so this is a grand campaign and a grand effort to reach to the Creative Corner. Please invite your friends and relatives also, because we really wish maximum of you to take benefit of this. We really worked hard for framing a lovely syllabus. It means it's mind-blowing, and for very sure you're going to enjoy all artworks. So this is all about today's artwork. Can I see now everyone's Mother Earth, Mother Environment? Your Environment Day special drawing is ready. Wow, you all can see work of each other. Just see work of each other. How beautifully your friends have done. See, great efforts. I can see a great variation of colors and all, and efforts. Many of you were not having, see, here I can see green mountain with lots of flowers. Very good, Ria. Ria has done this piece. Very good, lovely work. And if you enjoyed today's class, can I see a thumbs up with Badi Wali smile? Yes? And tell me how many of you are determined that this rainy season, we are going to grow countless plants. The mistake human has done, we will rectify it. Okay, so are you with me in this mission? Show your thumbs up. A bada wala thumbs up with badi wali smile. Yes, so we can do it. So with this, I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Yes, the paper is this. You can take a screenshot, or this is on my Instagram post also. Okay, you will find it here also. This is the complete detail. And it is open for everyone. All can join. Senior, juniors, everyone. Although it is written for kids, but no, it's open for everyone. We picked up artwork which everyone is going to enjoy. Okay, so yes, you are invited. Please be part of this. Invite your friends, your relatives also, and let's make it a mega campaign. Okay, chalo. So with this, I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye bye. Take care. Bye, students.